Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance When the Clock Strikes. The song is I Want to Dance with Somebody. The artist is Whitney Houston and P2J. The choreography is ADRIAN P. Woods. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, please check out the NOLA Southern Experience presented by Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself here in New Orleans, 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. But registrations open this year, June 1st, and you can book your hotel right now. Everything takes place, all the details, registration, and book your hotel at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. And let's go. when the clock strikes. I'll post the instructional. Make sure you check her, Adrian, out also. Also, make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the WHITNEY teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.